Water heater goes, you call the plumber. But how can you tell if the plumber that you call isn't taking you for a ride? In the second part of our series, in which we filled a house with hidden cameras, we put plumbers to the test. And Lisa Guerrero tells us what we found.
Deep inside the house that's watching you sits this hot water heater. Before surrounding every angle with hidden cameras, we called in the experts.
It's in great condition. This is in perfect working order.
And it's definitely not broken.
Steve Ciuro with Honest Plumbing and Heating, John Heine with Heine Plumbing and Heating, and Bill Diamond with Diamond Plumbing and Heating all say, although it's older, it's in top condition.
So can we create a small problem that any tech worth his salt would be able to come in and fix like that?
Absolutely. It's very
Show
simple.
me what we can do.
Well, we could loosen this up right here.
By doing that, we created a small water leak.
The only water here is coming from this nut.
Correct.
And we could tighten it with this wrench.
Yep.
That's it.
Simple as that.
So will they fix this simple leak, or will they try to sell me a new water heater?
There is an issue with my hot water heater.
7 plumbers all quickly discover the leak and fix it with a simple turn of the wrench.
You don't need a new water heater.
This technician didn't even charge us a service fee. Great work, guys.
Yeah.
As for this plumber, well, check it out for yourselves.
This thing is cracked.
Before even examining the heater, he had bad news.
Oh, it's broken for sure. It's cracked for sure.
It couldn't just be a leak from somewhere else?
No. Usually, like I said, it'll crack from up top, it'll crack from the side, leak from the bottom.
And the price for a new water heater?
Somewhere around like $1,500.
Time to pull the plug on this plumber.
Let me show you something. See this wrench? All you have to do is tighten it up using this wrench, and the water stops. Isn't that amazing? Isn't that what you should have done to begin with?
I mean, I really didn't want to fidget with anything. I mean, like, come on.
Our expert says that's a lame excuse and believes
His goal today was to sell a hot water heater, and that's unfortunate.
he later told us he was a new technician and made an honest mistake.
Hey, how's it going?
This plumber was also quick to hand out bad news.
You need a new water heater.
You could tell already?
Yeah,
And it definitely has to get replaced.
definitely, 100%.
But check this out.
Now it looks like he's fixing it.
Back in our control room on hidden camera, we watch him appear to fix the leak.
So it's definitely broken.
100%.
100%.
100%.
Total cost?
Somewhere like 1,700 altogether.
Time to tell him this house has been watching him all along.
I'd like to know why you tried to sell me a hot water heater that I don't need.
This is broken right here.
That's not broken, that was loosened.
I tried to show him the easy fix.
Does this need to be replaced?
My professional opinion, it needs to be replaced.
Is it broken?
Yes.
It's not broken.
Yes, it is.
He told me that it was broken. I said, "Are you sure?" And he said, 100%. What's your response?
It's absolutely 100% wrong.
Then it was on to his next job.
That last plumber's boss told us they weren't trying to scam anybody, but that since the water heater was old, they said it was fair to say it should be replaced.